Hey, I noticed you watch my videos. What attracted you to my content? Is that you're looking to make extra income or leave your 9 to 5 job? Have you heard of Break the Norm? If you haven't, this course covers all aspects of affiliate marketing. Becoming a true online entrepreneur can be challenging. Unfortunately, many gurus only share partial information, keeping the real secrets to themselves. This course here, however, provides comprehensive training, including Done For You, DFY techniques in training, funnel creation, and closing deals. An in-demand skill helping thousands achieve full-time online income. Many gurus exploit newcomers, taking their money and vanishing. We're here to break that cycle. Our program provides a reliable blueprint, guiding you through every step of your online business. No disappearing acts, just ongoing support to help you succeed without unnecessary stress or guesswork. Currently, life is incredibly challenging. The soaring energy prices and overall high cost of living, coupled with financial instability, are making each day tougher for you. What if you lose your job or can't afford basic necessities? The risk includes losing your house, compromising your health, and jeopardizing everything you've worked hard for in the past. Watch this quick 11-minute video explains the opportunity and how to get started below the video.